Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romero. If you ever been confused by the verbs do and make in English, you are not alone. It is one of the biggest headaches for beginners. Yeah, but today we are going to solve these mysteries once and for all. By the end of this video, you will know exactly when use each one. Yeah, but let us start with do. Think do as a performing an action or a task. For example, you do the laundry. You do the dishes. You are not creating the laundry or the dishes. You are just performing the task. We are often use do to talking about work in general. For example, I do my homework. I do a good job at work. See the difference? It's not about executing something that's already exists. Now, let us talk about make. Make is about creating or producing something new. Think make as to create, for example, I made a cake. You are creating something new, putting ingredients together. For example, she made me a coffee. We are also use make for decision. I made a decision. The rule is simple. If you are creating or producing something, you are making. If you are just executing a task, you are do. So to sum it up, use for task or action make, for creating and producing something. Now it's your turn. Leave here your comment. Tell me something you do in your daily life, okay? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification for the next class. See you next time. Thank you guys.